What are you playing now, Connor?
A circle.
A circle?
Touch the fruit that starts with the letter H. R. Berry. Apple. H. Honeydew. Way to go.
Honeydew, huh?
Pick a sticker.
What kind of sticker did you get? He has to go on the paper. It can't go in the sky. It has to go on this. There you go.
Oh no, this monkey's kiwi broke into pieces. Can you put it back together?
Is that the puzzle? Good job. Nope. Isn't that monkey pleasant? The other side, buddy. There you go. Good job.
TV.
Kiwi.
This monkey wants two of each kind of fruit. Can you match the fruit? Mango. Strawberry. Grapes. Kiwi. Grapes. Kiwi.
Where's the other kiwi?
Strawberry. Mango. Strawberry.
Where'd the other strawberry go? Here.
Strawberry.
Ooh.
Mango. Mango.
Good job.
Grapes. Kiwi.
Nope.
Grapes. Grapes.
Good job.
Kiwi. Kiwi.
A strawberry.
Great job.
Yeah, the strawberries are in there.
Touch all the red fruit.
Which ones are red?
Strawberry.
Yeah, and the apple. Which apple's red?
Red.
Good job.
Way to go.
Strawberry.
Pick a
Strawberries? It has to stay on the sheet. Put the monkey... No, not on the sky, buddy. There you go. Nope. No, it can't go on the monkey. It needs to go on this. It needs to go here. You're a goof.
This monkey wants two bananas. One, two.
Bananas.
Touch all the red fruit.
Which one?
Red. Purple. Red.
Good job.
A strawberry.
Okay.